How to install axles and tires. This is the appearance before installation. Now, let's install the front axle beam first. Now let's fix another point on the front axle beam. Attention! Lift the axle up and place it on the beam for later fastening. Then continue to fix the axle. Adjust the position of the axle. Fix the axle on the beam. We installed the rear axle the same way. This is the appearance of the axle after installation. Now let's install the tires. This is the appearance of the tire after installation.